This is a description of the AKtech view meter. It is a powerful and versatile device. It has various modes which can be switched with a single button. The video just gives an overview of the different operating modes. Please see the comment for the detailed reference. The device just starts with a normal peak hole drop mode. The red LED in the lower right corner indicates the mode switch. If I switch to the peak hole disappear mode, you can see that the peak hole now doesn't drop but just vanishes. Mode 3 just switches the peak hold off. The next mode is the peak hold shooting mode. The peak hold shoots off to the right. In the following 2 or 1 LED follow mode, the LEDs just follow the input signal with 2 or 1 LEDs. Mode 7 is a peak bouncing mode, where the peak bounces from the left to the right, to the left to the right, and so on. And Mode 8 is a peak jitter mode, where the peak just jitters with the 2 upper LEDs. And at last, back to the regular peak drop mode. Here you can see entering the speed mode setting. The LEDs in the upper right indicate the speed type, and the green LEDs in the upper left show the actual value. I just show the values of the different types. And finally exiting back to normal operation mode.